welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm going to share with you step by step how to achieve a double high bun, or it could be called a space bun. This is great for a festival or any kind of party, so let's get started. So first off, I'm going to spray It Is 10 all over my hair. This is going to protect my hair and also help to add shine, detangle, and freeze. So I'm just brush it through, making sure it is nice and it's able to target every string of hair to make my hair even stronger. I'm going to divide my hair in half like this. So grab a hair gel. What you're going to do is actually brush out all the baby hair to make a very sleek and nice straight line. If you don't have this gel hair, you can always use any kind of mascara gel. It does the same thing. Also, add more of this gel and we're gonna brush it out from the bottom. Try to grab as much as baby hair as possible because this is the first step and is basically used as final. I'm going to use double elastic and I'm going to secure it really high. Right here. So place your hair into a ponytail. Once you're done with this side, we are going to work on this side. And we're not gonna wait until the next step because there's a reason. The reason why you will want to do this next because you will allow yourself to see that your ponytails is equal, distributed instead of one is higher than the other. And pull it to make sure it's secure and sturdy. So for the top, it's kind of crazy and fuzzy. I'm just going to use this mascara to actually help it to lay flat. Next, I'm going to use a hairspray, only going to spray at the bottom and also toward the tops, not into the ponytail. So let's get this party started. Divide your hair into two equal parts. What we're going to do is twist it toward your face, and we are doing that twice. Grab another sections and we are going to do the same thing as twist it toward your face. In the outer strings, we are going to loop it around to the right. Every time you loop around, you have to twist it toward your face. This part is very critical in order to complete this look. Repeat this step and also pull some of the string of hair. Try to make it more volumized and thicker because it's going to create a bigger bun. Depending on the length of your hair, it will determine how fast you're going to finish it. I found it's much easier to go ahead and do a sections, then pull it out, and then repeat the step. Or you can always go ahead and twist it all the way, secure with elastic at the end, and pull the string out to loosen up and make it more volumized. After I already secure my end, I'm going to loop the rope around. Can you see the first part that is sticking out right there? We are going to secure in place with a bobby pin because we want that bun to lay flat closely to our head. We don't want the end to stick out, so what I'm going to do is to tuck it in the bun and hide it, and then go ahead and grab another bobby pin to actually hold it into place. Adjust your bun as needed, so go ahead and grab another bobby pin and secure it in place. Make sure that you are going to try to hide your bobby pin in this process too. To get rid of my flyaway hair, I'm going to grab a cheap hairspray and spray all of it just to make sure everything is nice and neat. So I want to demonstrate both sides. Now working on my left side, divide your hair into two sections and then we are going to twist it toward our face once again, and we are doing that in the outermost right. We are going to loop it around to the left side, and each time when you loop, you have to twist. The reason why we are doing opposite because this is not only securing your hair, but it's going to hold that braid. Plus, all those flyaway would not go crazy and it will stay in put. After I already tied my hair with an elastic, I'm just going to pull the rope just to loosen up so I can create a bigger bun and more volumized. So I did mention that you have two options as pulling it as you're working, or you can do this toward the end. Let's continue with the fun part. Go ahead and loop your hair around. Can you see that part keeps sticking out? What we had to do is getting a bobby pin, secure it in place because we definitely want to lay flat into our head. Loop the extra rope around your head to create a cute bun. With the excess at the end, just go ahead and tuck it inside the bun so nobody knows your imperfections. Use the bobby pin to secure the bun and also help it to stay the form and in place. And once again, we are using a Chi hairspray and spray all the flyaways down just to make sure we are looking fine AF. And your bun should look closely like this. It looks so cute and beautiful, just like a flower. Congratulations, you have made it toward the end of this video. If you're wondering how I able to achieve this beautiful graphic liner, you can definitely check out this video right here. Also, there is two videos that make specially for you, waiting for you to click on. This is going to help your beauty journey to success. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.